All right, welcome to the demo for Sinopia Sprint 18. I'm Michelle Futornik, the Sinopia product owner. In our last two demos, we showed the login feature and resource template importing, but there's some big improvements to those that I'm going to show you today. First of all, the login is now embedded in the Sinopia application. And second, the resource template import feature is now available on the development site, development.sinopia.io, so everyone can use it. You might remember in our previous demo, we were showing it to you from the developer's local machine. And we have a new feature that handles uploading new versions of existing resource templates. So here I'm on development.sinopia.io, and again, our login feature works that you could log in from the home page, or you can wait until you try to do an action that requires you to log in. So right now, if you were to simply click over to the link data editor, it would prompt you to log in. So I'm gonna do that now. One thing we're working on is that a refinement where in the future, you'll be able to go to the link data editor and see resource templates and open them and view existing cataloged data without having to log in. You'll only be required to log in if you want to save data or import resource templates. So after you log in, you'll see now at the upper left a confirmation that you are logged in. Okay, so resource template uploading. Remember, when you are creating resource templates, you're doing that outside of the link data editor. You're doing that in the profile editor. So in order to use these resource templates you've created, you have to import them into Sinopia. And here what you're looking at is available resource templates in Sinopia. These are ones that have been previously imported. So to add a resource template to Sinopia so that someone can use it to catalog, you use this import new or revised resource template button, and then you'll select the profile that you want to import. So I'm going to use a demonstration one here. My profile is called Sprint 18 Demo, and it contains 2 resource templates. So when you upload it, you'll get this blue message confirming that your templates were uploaded. After I upload my resource templates, I can sort the list of available resource templates to find the ones that I just uploaded. So here they are. They're called Sprint 18 Resource Template 1 and Sprint 18 Resource Template 2. So now I just realized that I misspelled something in one of my resource templates. So I'm going to fix it and re-upload it, and that'll give me a chance to show you our new feature that deals with revised versions of existing resource templates. So going over to the profile editor, I'm going to import that profile and fix my typo. I called it Spring 18 instead of Sprint 18. So I'm going to fix that and export it. Now when I import the revised version, I'm going to get a warning here to make sure I really want to overwrite something that's existing. And I do, because I want to fix my typo. So I said, yes, I want to overwrite, and I do get a confirmation here that that template was updated. And now I should see that my resource template name has been corrected to Sprint. So we don't have a search of this list, but you can sort it, as I showed, by template name or by ID, or you can use your browser's find feature to look for the ones you're interested in. Now I want to show a couple new things related to user support. One is that we have now a known issues page and a troubleshooting page, and you can get to both of those by clicking on Help and Resources, and then Sinopia Help Site, which will take you to our GitHub Wiki Help Site, and the top two items on the right, Known Issues, which will be updated frequently to tell you all the bugs that we know about right now, and Troubleshooting, which has some tips for what to do if you get error messages when you're uploading resource templates. And the other new user support thing is that there's a demo resource template here that shows you all the different configurations that you can set up in the profile editor. And it's called Sinopia RT Demo Sample Resource Fuller. So just look for the word full. You'll find it here in Sinopia. And when you open it, you'll see all the different kinds of fields that you can put into a resource template and all the different configurations as far as repeatable and mandatory. So you can open that and play around with it and see how different types of fields with defaults and not defaults, repeatable and not repeatable, how all that will work. And if you want to see what this looks like in the profile editor, back over here on the help page, on the main help topics page, under user acceptance testing, there's a link to the actual JSON file in the GitHub repository. You could download that and open it in the profile editor to explore it. And then there's also here a link to a file that explains all the different configurations that are demonstrated in that profile. And that's it for today. Thanks.